Well, YouTube, as awesome as this whole news about the record player spinning at 33 and a third, I want to say that it actually adjusted itself to be in that speed now. Just because of how many times I've been playing with this record player, having it play, it is now at the speed we want. But besides that, I want y'all to hear what is on this record. Now, again, this is like what Radio TV Phono Nut does. I'm not going to play this whole record. I just want to play a snippet of this record because I want y'all to hear the sound. I'm going to go ahead and start it. Not only does this relate to a record player video, but y'all know, y'all have watched my videos of me with the practice chanter and all that stuff, and the mouth-blown Scottish small pipes. But this definitely relates to something. To something, not just the record player. Just have a listen for yourself.
The flag that had flown from the Menin Gate at Ypres hung from the royal box, and the young Prince of Wales.
This record has bagpipes. Not the Scottish small pipes. It does have the great highland bagpipes. There we go. The great highland bagpipes on the Crossley record player. Alright. There we go. Scottish bagpipes on the record player. Played at 33 and a third RPM. Thanks for watching. More to come later.